Welcome to Grade 7 Maths Session 17 video.
Hello children, this is session 17 class 12/9/2020 Saturday. Put the today's date and you can start to write in your math subject note. Okay, this is page number 89. Last class we have completed up to the pages 88. We completed the exercise number 3.2 also. So in this class we are going to learn some of the example sums as well as the exercise 3.3. we're going to complete that. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce the new topic, that is equation. An equation can be looked as algebraic expression. Okay va, equation can be looked as algebraic expression மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். Equated either to a constant or to any other algebraic expression. Okay va, equated either to a constant or to any other algebraic expression. Okay children, it's nothing but இங்க பாருங்க ஒரு equation x plus y. ஓகேவா, ஈக்குவல் டு சிம்பிள், இதுக்கு பக்கத்தில் ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்ட் இருக்கலாம். ஸோ இது ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன். எங்கேயாவது ஒரு லைனில் ஈக்குவல் டு சிம்பிள் நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்களன்னா தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன். ஓகேவா, இது வந்து ஈக்குவேட்டட் எய்தர் டு ஏ கான்ஸ்டன்ட்கான எக்ஸாம்பிள். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் ஆர் டு எனி அதர் அல்ஜிப்ரிக் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன். ஸோ லுக் அட் யுவர் x plus 4 equal to 3y plus x. Okay wow, this is also called a equation because in this also we just see that equal to symbol. This is example. Okay வா, ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்ல ஈக்குவல் டு சிம்பிள் இருந்துச்சுன்னா that is called a equation. That's all children. Okay வா, to solve an equation we can add or subtract or multiply or divide the same number on both sides of the equation. Listen children, this is very important note. That is, இப்போ ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷனை சால்வ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்பர் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா அந்த ஈக்குவேஷனை சால்வ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்ற மோட்டிவ்காக மட்டுமே we can add பண்ணலாம், subtract பண்ணலாம், multiply பண்ணலாம், டிவைடும் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, on both the sides. That is very much important. ஓகே, ஒரு சைட் பண்ணிட்டு இன்னொரு சைட் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது. So both the sides we can add or subtract or multiply or divide any number to solve an equation. ஓகே, வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். இந்த நோட் வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு சம் போடும்போது கிளியராக இன்னும் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஐ ஹோப் எவ்ரிபடி கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் வாட் இஸ் த ஈக்குவேஷன். ஓகே, ஸோ ஏதாவது ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிரஷனில் ஈக்குவல் டு சிம்பிள் இஸ் தேர் மீன்ஸ் இட் இஸ் கால்ட் அன் ஈக்குவேஷன். ஓகேவா, ஸோ we are going to learn the example number 3.11 now. So find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 75. Okay va, consecutive. What is mean by this word consecutive? Consecutive means continuous. Okay, consecutive means what ma? Continuous. Two continuous natural number if we add means we will get the answer 75. Shall we do that? Shall we find what are the two consecutive numbers are they? Okay, shall we find now? Okay, just listen it children. Let put the solution here. Let one natural number is x. Okay va, first natural number x எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So second number is first is x, second number is x plus 1. Okay va, for example நான் சொல்கிறேன். So 2 is the first natural number na, அப்போ next consecutive na next number is 2 plus 1 is we will get 3. Okay va, like that only. So here also I mentioned that first natural number x எடுத்துக்கிறேன், second number வந்து x plus 1 எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Okay, what we want to do, sum is 75. Okay va, so இதை வச்சு நம்ம எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஃபார்ம் பண்ண போகிறோம். x first number plus second number is x plus 1. Okay, are you clear? First number and then second number is x plus 1. If we add both these two numbers we will get the answer 75. Okay, have you clear children? Now x plus x is, open your mouth and say x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 1 equal to 75. Okay va, so 2x as it is you keep, 75 plus 1 this side comes means minus 1 it will come, so 74. Okay va, 2x equal to 74. Then x equal to 74 divided by 2. 74 divided by 2. You just do the cancellation or do the division here. Okay va, 74 divided by 2 means 2 3s are 6, 14, 2 7s are 14. We will get the remainder as 0. So x equal to 37. So first number is 37. So what will be the next number here? So x plus 1 is the next number. So x plus 1 is 37 plus 1 and then we will get the answer 38. So if we add 37 plus 38, okay wow, first number is 37, second number is 38. If we add this both the number, we will get the answer 75. Check it once whether we will get or not. 37 plus 38 is 75. Okay va, so very much easy children. You just form the algebraic expression and then you can solve, means you will get the answer. So now the answer is 37 and 38. 37 and 38 is the answer. Okay, I hope everybody can understand well. So now we are going to learn the next example. Example 3.12. Example 3.12. So a person has rupees 960 in denominators. Okay va, 960 in denominators of rupees 1, rupees 5 and rupees 10. Okay va, so children, here I made little mistake, not denominators, it is a denominations. TIONS. Okay va, so of rupees 1, rupees 5 and rupees 10 notes. Okay va, denomination means what ma, எவ்வளோ changes எவ்வளோ rupees வச்சிருக்கோம். Okay va, for example நான் உங்ககிட்ட வந்து ஒரு 100 rupees கேட்குறேன்னா you people may have only the changes of 100 rupees. அப்போனா எத்தனை 5 rupees coins கொடுக்குற 100 rupeeக்கு, எத்தனை 10 rupee notes கொடுக்குற, எத்தனை 20 rupees notes கொடுக்குற. So it is called as a denominations. Okay va, so ஒரு பர்சன் கிட்ட 960 rupees இருக்கு, 1 rupee coin ஆகவும் இருக்கு, 5 rupees ஆகவும் இருக்கு, 10 rupees notes ஆகவும் இருக்கு. So the number of notes in each denominations is equal. What is the total number of notes? Okay va, so எல்லாமே ஈக்குவல்ல இருக்கு. அப்போ அந்த ஈக்குவலா எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, that is what we are going to find it now. Okay va, so shall we do the sum now? Okay, so listen children, it's very much simple like the past example. So we have to take the denominations as x. Okay, I'll give the solution here. So first is 1x plus next is 5x plus next is 10x equal to how much rupees totally I have in my hand, that is 960. Okay, so now you just add all the variables are same, no, same variable means we can add it. Okay, then 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, that is 16x equal to 960. 16x equal to 960. Now what we want to do now, this 16 we have to divide it by 960. 960 16. Okay va, how many times we can get 96 in 16 table? Can anyone say? Very good, 6 times we can get. Okay va, 6 times, 6 6 are 36, 3 is the carry, 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9. Okay, 960. So 96. So this 0 is there, no, up you take this 0. Okay va, so x equal to 960 divide this multiplication la irukka 16 இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுனா divide ஆகும். So if I divide this number means I will get the answer 60. So how many, here what is the question exactly they are asked, what is the total number of notes? Okay va, இங்க பாருங்க 60, 61 rupee coin வச்சிருந்தானா 60 rupees ஆகுது. Okay va, 65 rupees வச்சிருந்தானா எவ்வளவு வந்திருக்கும் பாருங்க, 60 into 5, what you will get, 6 5s are 30, so 300 rupees ஆகும். Okay va, அதே போல 60 10 rupees notes, அப்போ 60 into 10, how much I will get? So 600 I will get. If we add means 0 6 9, if I add means I will get the total amount 960. Total amount what? 960 I will get. So எல்லாமே 60 60 வச்சிருந்தாதான் I will get the total amount 960. This is what the exact question is there. Okay va children, I hope everybody clear, very much easy sums. Okay, don't confuse. If you are not understanding this sums means you just listen it once and again. Okay, I hope everybody clear till that. Next, I'm going to start up with the exercise number 3.3. Okay, children, I'm just solve the important example sums only. Okay, next we have the 3 examples. I'll take the skip off of 3 examples. Don't want to put it in your note that and all. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, that alone you can solve. That is enough. Okay, so now I'm going to start up with the new exercise. This is page number 90, exercise number 3.3. Exercise number 3.3. First one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. An expression equated to another expression, okay, is called. Okay va, ஒரு expression இன்னொரு expression கூட equated means equal to இருந்துச்சுனா, that is called the equation. That is called what ma? Equation. Just now I just, okay. So next is if a equal to 5, okay va, the value of 2a plus 5. What is the value of 2a plus 5? I'm just solve it here. Listen it carefully. A oda value is 5. 2 into 5 plus 5. 2 into 5, 10 plus 5. Then value of a is, the value of 2a plus 5 is 15. Okay, have you clear, children? So next is the sum of twice and 4 times of the variable x is. Okay, the sum of, they given the statement, we have to form the expression. We have to form the expression sum of twice, okay va, 4 times of x. அப்போ எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 4 times of x, okay va. So 4 times of x வந்து 4x எழுதுறோம். So sum of twice, sum of twice அப்படினா how we can form it? Children, now the sum of twice, okay va, sum of twice, sum அப்படின்றதுனால plus போடுறேன். So twice they given here, twice, okay va, twice and 4 times of the variable x, அப்போ twice x, okay va, twice x plus sum of 4 times, okay va. Now I formed the algebraic expression. Both the variables are same, so we can add it. So if we add 2x plus 4x means I will get 6x. So answer for this is 6x. Okay, are we clear, children? Okay, so next is say true or false. Okay, listen carefully. Everything is very important question. If you understand the concept, you can very be clear in this true or false. Every algebraic expression is an equation. Okay va, ella algebraic expression equation that is your question here. So listen, children, in the equal to எடுத்துட்டு பார்த்தோம்னா, this is one algebraic expression, but இங்க equal to sign இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் it is an equation. அப்போ இது ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்தாதான் ஈக்குவேஷன், இது மட்டும்னா எக்ஸ்பிரஷன். அப்போ எல்லா எக்ஸ்பிரஷனும் ஈக்குவேஷனா ஆகாது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். Okay, so next, children, the expression 7x plus 1 cannot be reduced without knowing the value of x. Yes, very good. X oda value 1 or 2 or 3 எதுனா ஒரு value தெரிஞ்சா மட்டும்தான் we can reduce that. Okay, if you are not knowing the value of x, we can't able to do with this expression anything. We can't able to do anything with this expression. So it is cannot be reduced. Yes, cannot be reduced பண்ண முடியாது. So it is true. Okay, are we clear, children? So next is to add two like terms. To add two like terms, its coefficient can be added. Yes, amma two like terms add பண்ணனும். For example, 4x 2x ரெண்டுமே like terms because the variables are same. Okay, so two like terms add பண்ணனும்னா coefficient of this x want to be added. Yes, so I will get 6x. So it is also true. It is also true. Okay, very much clear, children. Very easy sums this and all. If you are knowing the concept very clear, you can answer by your own. Okay, so next is in this same exercise, this is the third sum. Okay, solve x plus 5 equal to 8. Children, can you say this is an expression or equation? Yes, very good. It is equation because it has equal to sign. it has equal to sign. So it is an equation. So all the 5 sums they given the equation. So we want to find the value of the variables given. Find the value of the variables given. Okay, here x is the variable. So x, listen children, x you keep and write. Okay, here 8 is there. So plus 5, this side come means I'll get minus 5. Okay, wow. So x equal to, what is the 8 minus 5? 8 minus 5 is 3. So x order value 3. That's all children, very much simple. So here also same, p value as it is you keep, 7 is there, minus 3, this side come means plus 3, minus 3 this side come means plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So p equal to 10. Okay, next children, 2x equal to 30. 2x equal to 30. X equal to 30. Multiplication la irukka 2. This side come means division la marum. So 30 divided by 2. X equal to 15. X equal to 15. Do the division here. 30. 2 ones are 2. 1. Okay. Here 0. 2 5s are 10. Have you clear children? So 15 times 30. 2 15 times 30. So next is fourth sum, m divided by 6 equal to 5. Okay va, m equal to 5. Inga division la irukka, in equal to andha pachukkum pochana automatically multiplication la marum. Children, listen, this for this concept only they have given this sums. Plus la irundhu equal to andha pakkam pochana minus agum. Minus la irundhu equal to andha pakkam pochana plus la agum. Multiply la irukka 2 andha equal to andha pakkam pochana division la 2 agum. Division la irukka 6 equal to andha pakkam pochana multiplication la 6 agum. Okay va, இந்த concept understand பண்றதுக்காக தான் இந்த 5 sums உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So next is m equal to 6 5s are 30. That's all. Okay va, so now listen children, this sum 7x equal to 80 இருக்கு plus 10 இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுனா minus 10 ஆகும். So 7x அப்படியே எழுதிட்டு 80 minus 10 வந்து 70 ஆயிடும். இப்போ x அப்படியே எழுதுங்க, multiplicationல இருக்க 7, this equal to this side come means it will come to the division. So 70 divided by 7, so 10 times x equal to 10. Okay, very much simple sum children, you can solve by your own. Listen the video carefully and try to do by your own. Okay, so next children, fourth sum, what should be added to 3x plus 6y to get 5x plus 8y? To get 5x plus 8y. எனக்கு ஆன்சர்ல 5x plus 8y வரணும். அப்ப இந்த நம்பர் கூட என்ன ஆட் பண்ணா I'll get this one. ஓகேவா? So 3 கூட 2 ஆட் பண்ணா 5 வந்துரும். ஓகேவா? 6 கூட 2 ஆட் பண்ணா 8 வந்துரும். ஓகேவா? அப்போ 2x plus 2y. நான் சால்வ் பண்ணாம I can say the answers orally. Okay, I'm just to show you how to solve this sum now. Okay, solution you give. Okay, to get this one is the bigger number, so I'll take this 5x plus 8y. Okay va, இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணா என்ன ஆன்சரோ அந்த ஆன்சர் நமக்கு கிடைச்சிரும். 3x plus 6y. அப்போ மைனஸ் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். 8 minus 6 is 2y. Okay va, 5 minus 3 is 2x. Okay va, so நடுவுல என்ன வரணும்? Plus I will get. So answer is 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y. Okay va, இப்ப பாரு 3x plus 2x add பண்ணா 5x கிடைக்கும். 6y plus 2y add பண்ணா 8y. I'll get the answer. Very much simple sum children. So next is 9 added to thrice a whole number gives 45. Okay va, statement they given, we have to form the algebraic expression. Shall we try now? Okay va, 9 added to thrice a whole number. That whole number, what the whole number we don't know. Okay, so let the whole number take it as a x. X எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, 9 added means plus thrice a whole number. So 3x. Thrice na 3x. Twice na 2x. Gives na எப்பமே you have to mention the equal to sign. Gives na equal to sign. So என்ன கொடுக்குது எனக்கு? 45 கொடுக்குது. Okay va, 45. இப்போ என்ன அந்த number? We going to find that number. So 3x as usual you keep on one side. 45 plus 9 this side come means minus 9. Okay va, so இங்க எனக்கு ஸ்பேஸ் இல்லாதனால next step நான் இங்க continue பண்றேன். 3x equal to 45 minus 9. What will I will get? 45 minus 9 is 36. So x equal to 36 multiplicationல இருக்கு இங்க 3x 3 இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுனா டிவிஷனா மாறிடும். அப்ப x equal to say x equal to 12. X equal to 12. So that number is 12. That number is 12. That's all. What find the number they given? No, that number is 12. Now 9 added to thrice a whole number. அப்போ x ஓட வேல்யூ என்னது 12. இப்போ செக் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஒரு வாட்டி இந்த பக்கம் சால்வ் பண்றேன். 9 plus 3 into 12. நம்ம அந்த 12 தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்ல. இப்போ இத பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு ஆன்சர் என்ன வரணும் 45 வரணும். அதுதான் பார்க்கலாமா? So 3 12s are 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. That's all children. ஓகேவா? இது வந்து உங்க கிளாரிஃபிகேஷனுக்காக தான் இங்க கொடுத்திருக்கேன். இத நீங்க போட தேவையில்ல. Up to this you can do, that is enough. Okay, x equal to 12 is the answer. So children, next we going to learn the next sum, that is sixth sum, page number 91. This sum is same like the example sum 1 we did know, like that the same this sum too. Okay, find two consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive means what I said? Yes, very good. Continuous. Consecutive means continuous. Two continuous odd numbers add பண்ணனும். Okay வா? Odd numbers add பண்ணோம்னா we will get the sum as 200. We will get the sum as 200. Solution. So first two consecutive odd numbers. Find the two consecutive odd numbers. So let first odd number, first odd number வந்து x எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So second odd number equal to, so next number consecutive next number அப்படினா plus 1 கொடுத்திருந்தோம் அந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம்ல. So odd number, so first 1 is the odd number na, so 1 கூட 2 add பண்ணாதான் next odd number வந்து 3 கிடைக்கும். Okay வா? So இங்க வந்து x plus 2 we have to give. Okay, have you clear children? So 1 கூட 2 add பண்ணாதான் next odd number 3 கிடைக்கும். So அதனால x ன்றது ஒரு odd number னா அந்த x plus 2 பண்ணாதான் next odd number நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். Okay வா? So x plus 1 பண்ணோம்னா next number தான் கிடைக்கும். But next number will be the even number. So won't give the plus 1. So you have to give the plus 2 because they given the odd number. Okay, so now form the algebraic expression here. X plus 2 equal to, okay, 200. Okay, this plus they given the word sum, so that I given the plus here. Okay va? So x in the expression plus in the expression equal to 200. So x plus x is 2x plus 2 equal to 200. So 2x equal to 200 plus 2 this side comes minus 2. So 2x equal to 200 minus 2 is 198. So x equal to 198 divided by 2. இங்க மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல இருக்குது, இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுன்னா டிவிஷன் ஆயிடும். So do the division here. 198. Okay வா? 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணுங்க. 2 9s are 18. Again 18 will come. So 1 is the remainder, 8 is there, 2 9s are again 18 equal to 0. So x equal to 99. So first odd number is 99. First odd number is 99. So inge x plus 2 irukku. To find the next odd number, x plus 2 equal to, next odd number enadhu 99 plus 2 equal to, what will come? 99 plus 2 is 101. Okay va? So the answer is 99 and 101. These two odd numbers if we add means we will get the answer 200. Okay, so 101 plus 99 is 200. Okay, have you clear children? Up to this 101 plus 99 equal to 200. Okay, two odd numbers we found. Okay children, have you clear? Listen students, this is your seventh sum. The taxi charges in a city comprise of a fixed charge of rupees 100 for 5 kilometers and rupees 16 per kilometer for every additional kilometers. So for 5 kilometers they are given the charge of rupees 100, and then addition excess each and every kilometer they have to pay rupees 16, and then if the amount paid at the end of the trip was so totally they had paid 740 rupees. Find the distance traveled. So totally how much kilometer they are traveled. We are very clear, for the 5 kilometers they are spent for rupees 100, and then each and every kilometer they had paid excess rupees 16. So totally they paid all together 740 they paid. So then totally how much kilometers they had traveled, that only we going to find it now. So solution I had written here, let the distance traveled by the taxi be x. So that only we going to find. So I given the x kilometer. For the first 5 kilometer they are charges rupees 100. Okay, for the additional kilometers they charge rupees 16 for x minus 5. Why I had given x minus 5 means already they had charged rupees 100, so that I just given here x minus 5. Okay, so next is therefore for x kilometers the charge equal to, okay, so 100 plus already they had traveled, no, they paid for 100, and then rupees 16 and then x minus 5, because this x minus 5 was included here, so that we have to reduce it here. Okay, amount paid, how much amount they paid totally here, 740 rupees. So we want to form the algebraic expression here, 100 plus 16 x minus 5 equal to 740. Okay, so now we want to solve this algebraic expression. Listen children here carefully. X minus 16 into x minus 5, here 740. This plus 100 this side come means it will be, take it as a minus 100. So 740 minus 100 is 640. Okay, 6x minus 5 as it is you write it here. Now x minus 5 you keep it here, multiplication 16 this side come means it will be, take it as a division 16. So let we do the division with 640 16. Okay, how many times it will come? Can anyone guess? 6 3s are 24. Is it right? Three times if you take means 6 3s are 24, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Sorry, 6 4s are 24, 4 2. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 5 6. Then 4 times we can consider as a 64. Remainder 0. This 0 take it into the up, so we will get 40. Okay, we will get 40. So 640 divided by 16 is 40. Okay, now x minus 5. So x as it is you write it here, 40. This minus 5 this side come means it will be changed into the plus 5. So x value equal to 45. Okay, 45. What they are going to find? They find the distance traveled. So 45 kilometer they traveled altogether. Okay, have you clear children? Very much simple sum. Form the algebraic expression and then you can solve it. Okay. Okay, all the sums are over now. So now I am going to tell you the objective type questions. The children listen here carefully. 8th sum, the generalization of the number pattern. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. So they are asking for n, 2n, 3n, 4n. This is what table? Can you able to say? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So answer is 3n. Answer is what? 3n. Okay, so next children, the solution of 3x plus 5 equal to x plus 9 is dash. Okay, we want to find the x value. We want to find the x value. I'll solve it here. Listen it carefully. 3x plus 5 equal to x plus 9. So 3x equal to x plus 9 minus 5. This plus 5 this side comes minus 5. So 3x x plus 4. Okay, are you clear children? Now so now 3x equal to x plus 4. So I'll just take that x and all in one side. So 3x plus x this side comes means minus x equal to 4. 3x minus x is 2x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 divided by 2. So x equal to 2. Answer, the value of the x is 2. Okay, solve like this children. Here I don't have the space, so that I just solved it here. Okay, so now question number 10 is the equation y plus 1 equal to 0 is true. Okay, is this true? Okay, only when y is appo y oda value என்னவா இருந்தா then it will be the equation becomes 0 they are asking. So very much simple children. 10th one, y plus 1 equal to 0. So y equal to this plus 1, this side come means minus 1. So y equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus 1. So that only we will get the answer 0. So now you have to go with this option minus 1. Okay, up to this exercise number 3.3 is getting over. So now we are going to start the exercise number 3.4. Very much simple children. Only 5 sums are there in this exercise number 3.4. All are miscellaneous problem. Okay, so listen children. Subtract minus 3ab minus 8 from 3ab plus 8. Also subtract 3ab plus 8 from 3ab minus 3ab minus 8. Okay, so we want to do the two types of subtraction here. Okay, first from the given, from right side this number is there. So 3ab plus 8, subtract the given, so that minus symbol. So minus 3ab minus 8. Okay children, so I am just solved up to this only here. So 3ab plus 8, minus into minus is plus. So 3ab minus into minus is plus 8. Okay, have you clear children? Now you just answer me 3ab 3ab. So if I add means I will get 6ab plus 8 is 16. Okay, this is for up to this question. So here they given also subtract. So also subtract this from this. Okay, they change and give the number, that's all. So first I have to write this from next irukadha first எழுத போறோம். So minus 3ab minus 8. Okay, subtract children, subtract next what they given, plus 3ab plus 8. Okay, so now you just multiply this 3 minus symbol to interior, minus into minus is, see minus into plus is minus 3ab, minus into plus is minus 8. Now you just tell me the answer. Minus minus, both are minus, so we want to do the addition. Very good. Minus 6ab. Okay, minus 8 is minus into minus is plus. We want to do the sub addition. 8 8 16. So minus 6ab minus 16. Here plus 6ab plus 16 is the answer. Okay, are you clear children? Okay, so next is find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are x plus 3y to x plus y, x minus 5. Listen children, any shape if they ask us to find the perimeter means we want to add all the sides. We want to add all the sides. That is the perimeter. Okay, we want to add all. Okay, this is the clue word for the perimeter. If they find they ask us to find the perimeter of any shape means we want to add all the sides, that's all. So we going to all three expression. So first expression is x plus 3y, and the next expression is 2x plus y, and the next expression is x minus y. Okay, so listen children, first I am going to take and write the x expressions alone. So x plus 2x plus x. Next is y expressions, plus 3y plus y minus y. Okay, so 2x, 3x, 4x. Okay children, now 3y, 4y. Okay, 4y minus y. 4y la oru y pochana, that is 3y. So plus 3y. So 4x plus 3y is the answer. If we add means. Okay, very much simple sum children. Understand it properly. And then I am going to solve the third one. That is thrice a number when increased by 5. Okay, gives 44. Find the number. find the number. In the previous exercise also we just learned the same question. So we want to do it now. Thrice a number when increased by 5. Okay va, thrice a number. Listen children, thrice means 3. By using this statement we want to form the algebraic expression. Thrice means 3. A number, any number. So I don't know what is the number. So let me take it as a x. Thrice a number means 3x. Okay, and then when increased by 5. So increased means we want to add. So add by 5. Okay, gives means we want to give the equal to sign. Increased means we want to do the plus, and then gives means equal to. Okay, gives, what they gives? 44. Okay, find the number. We are going to find what is that number exactly here. So very much simple children. So 3x equal to 44. This plus 5 this side comes means minus 5. So 3x equal to 44 minus 5 is 39. So x equal to 39 divided by 3. So x equal to what I will get? 39 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So remainder is 0. So I will get number 13. X equal to 13. That number is 13. Now for your reference purpose I will do. In the x க்கு பதிலா இங்க 3 நான் substitute பண்ணனா I will get this answer 44. Last exercise ல இதே மாதிரி same sum க்கு நான் உங்களுக்கு prove பண்ணேன். Now also I will try to do 3 into 13 plus 5. Okay வா, x க்கு பதிலா 13 கொடுக்கிறேன். இப்போ 3 into 13 I will get 3 into 13 I will get 39 plus 5 equal to 44. I will get the answer. For your understanding purpose I did this. Okay va, so that number is x equal to 13. Okay, have you clear children up to this? Very much simple sums. So next we are going to solve the question number 4. So this is page number 93 children. This is your fourth sum. How much smaller is 2ab plus 4b minus c than 5ab minus 3b plus 2c? Okay children, we want to subtract from this number to this number. Okay, so we just write it here. 5ab minus 3b plus 2c. Then they given no, so we want to subtract. So minus sign கொடுத்துட்டு, so 2ab plus 4b minus c. So what you want to do children? This minus want to multiply with this 3 terms. So 5ab as usual you write 3b plus 2c. This 3 terms not get any change. So minus here plus. Minus into plus is minus 2ab minus plus. So minus 4b minus into minus is plus c. Okay, now children listen it carefully. Take and write the similar terms together. 5ab minus 2ab. Okay va, then minus 3b, then minus 4b. Okay, then plus 2c plus c. Okay children, now we want to solve it. So 5ab la minus 2ab, if you want to reduce mean we will get 3ab. Okay, then 3 minus is there. So minus plus we want to do. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7b. Bigger number is 4. 4 before minus is there. So we want to give the minus sign here. Okay, here both are plus. So don't worry, you will give the plus here. 2c plus c is 2c plus 3 is 3c. 2c plus c is 3c. Okay, have you clear children up to this? Okay, very much simple. So next is we want to solve this fifth sum. 6 times a number subtracted from 40 gives minus 8. Find the number. Okay, very much simple children. So solution you write. Okay va, from next what is there? 40 is there. So 40 want to come first. Subtracted they given. So want to give the minus. Okay va, so how much times? 6 times a number. I don't know what number, so I want to give the x here. So 6 times means 6 into x. So gives how much it will gives means equal to sign you gives minus 8. Okay children, now you want to solve this sum, this expression. So this minus 6 as usual you keep this side, minus 8. This plus 40 this side comes means minus 40. Now minus 40 minus 8 is minus 48. minus 6. Because both are negative numbers, we want to add it. 48 will come. Bigger number is 40. 40 before minus is there, so minus 48 will come. Okay, now x equal to minus 48 divided by minus 6. Minus 48 divided by minus 6. So x equal to minus cancel பண்ணிடுங்க. So 6 divided by 48. What I will get? 48 divided by 6. 6 8s are 48. So do the cancellation here. 48 divided by 6 1s are 6. 6 8s are 6 8s are 48. So x equal to 8. X equal to 8. Now we will check with this expression. So 40 minus 6 into x பதிலா 8 கொடுத்திருக்கேன். 6 8s are 48. So 40 minus 48 is minus 8 I will get. So answer is right. Here minus 8. Okay va. So that x value is 8. Okay. Are you clear children? This is for checking purpose only. Okay. X equal to 8 is the correct answer. Okay, up to this we are completing the chapter number 3. Okay, so next class onwards we will start with the chapter number 4. Okay, I will meet you in the next class. Until this is bye from your teacher. Take care. Bye.
Students, today's home assignment is write the pages 89, 90, 91, 92 and 93. Complete examples and exercises 3.3 and 3.4.